Good morning, children. Now going to understand about colors. So first of all, you need to understand primary colors. The colors of light that cannot be obtained or created by mixing other colors. That is called primary colors. How? Just see here. Means these are the colors which on mixing produce white light. Red plus green, this one. Red plus green and plus blue. Red, green, blue. These three colors produce white light. Means this is primary colors. Red plus green plus blue equal to white light. Means it will give white light. In you can see in a screen, you can do at home practically. If red, green and blue lights are projected on a white screen, okay, white light is obtained, you will get white light, no any other color. It is impossible to obtain either red or green or blue light by mixing the light of any two other colors, but light of all other colors can be obtained by mixing the light of any two of the three primary colors, that is red, green and blue. And hence red, green and blue are called the primary colors because it produce, on mixing, it produce white light. That is why we cannot obtain primary colors by mixing other colors. Okay, other color by mixing we cannot produce white light. However, mixing of these colors produce other colors, but white light cannot produce. So that's why it is a primary color. Once again, you understand the definition of primary colors. The colors of light that cannot be obtained or created by mixing other colors, that is called primary colors. I hope it is clear to you, children. Now red plus green equal to yellow. What is secondary? Means secondary colors are the colors of light that can be produced by mixing two primary colors. Okay, by mixing two primary colors it will give secondary color. And the three secondary colors are yellow, cyan and magenta. By mixing two primary colors it produce secondary color. So yellow light is produced on mixing red and green light, and cyan light is obtained on mixing blue and green light, or magenta light is obtained on mixing red and blue light. Okay, you can see it here. Effect of mixing of red and green light result the yellow light, this light. Okay, if green and blue lights are projected on a white screen, cyan, that is peacock blue color, light is obtained. Green plus blue, it gives cyan, this color. Okay, if blue and red lights are projected on a white screen, we get magenta, that is purple color, light on that. Blue plus red gives magenta. These are the secondary color. So the secondary colors are yellow, cyan and magenta. Yellow, cyan and magenta, these are called secondary color, children. So in this manner we can obtain the color. We find red plus green, yellow, green plus blue, cyan, blue plus red, magenta, and red plus green plus blue, that is white. What is called? It is white, means primary color. So mixing of secondary colors are the colors of light that can be produced by mixing of two primary colors. We can get, if two primary colors you will mix, you will get secondary color. Okay, you can see here in this table given, blue equal to yellow equal to red plus green, secondary color, primary colors blue, green, red. So any two primary colors it will give secondary colors. Got it? So red and blue if you will mix, it will give yellow. Green and blue you will mix, you will get cyan. So these are the secondary color. Remember that. Okay. Now what is subtraction of color, children? Subtraction of color means, subtraction of colors means, in previous activity we have observed that a normal flashlight giving somehow yellow or a white light starts giving red light. No, in this not given, I hope it is given in your book. Okay, in this given, this is only your book, na? In this you can see here, in this activity, to observe mixing of light, this activity read, you will understand. Yellow, cyan and magenta color lights are formed on a mixing red and green, green and blue and red lights respectively. So on mixing all three lights, red, blue and green, a white spot is seen on the screen. You can see here white color will be appear. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion means the mixing of primary colors gives white light and secondary colors. Got it? Now what is secondary color, subtraction of color? You will understand properly. In this previous activity we observed that a normal flashlight giving some yellow or a white light starts giving red light when a red cell phone sheet is tied in front of it, that is thin sheet are there, not just a flashlight. If you hold a normal green cellophane sheet in your hand and see across it, you will find that everything seen through it appears green. This is because out of all the colors, a green cellophane sheet allows only green light to pass through it, right? And rest of all the colors are absorbed or blocked from passing. And therefore transparent object, that is a example glass or a cellophane sheet, allows light of certain colors to pass and block the other colors by absorbing them. So hence it acts like a color filter. So this is referred to as a subtraction of color. This is only subtraction of color. Red, green, blue. Absorb blue appears yellow. Okay, in this absorbs blue appears red. It will absorb blue color, so it will appear red color. So in the here it is very easily written in your book, white minus blue, subtraction of color means a sheet of paper is made of material that is capable of absorbing blue light. Okay, with the color which absorb the light, it will appear in that color. Therefore when white light falls on the sheet, it appears yellow. Got it? If magenta falls on the same sheet of paper, it appears red. So magenta minus blue, that is red plus blue minus blue, means it will appear red. Okay, because it will absorb magenta color, so it will appear red color. So appearance of colors of opaque object. In daily life you must have noticed, red rose appears red in white light. White light means daylight, right? Why? Because it reflects the light of red color and absorb all the other colors. If red rose is seen in blue or a green color, it absorbs the blue or a green color and it will reflects nothing. अगर ब्लू लाइट में या फिर ग्रीन कलर के लाइट में रेड रोज को ले जाओगे तो क्या दिखेगा? ब्लैक कलर, है ना? In disco light you can see disco light, different kinds of colors are there. Your face will appear dark, yellow, green, blue sometimes in disco light, right? So why? Because our skin absorb that light. That is why when it will absorb, it will reflect like that. Green leaves appear green in white light. Why? As they reflect only green color. If green leaves are seen in red light, there is no color to reflect, so they appear dark. So the absorption or reflection, it is very important to understand. If lights of blue and red colors fall on a surface, you can see here, that absorb light of blue colors, then the object appears to be red color. If light consisting of red, green and blue colors fall on a surface that absorbs light of blue color, then the reflected light consists of red, green colors, due to which that object appears to be yellow in that color. You can see here, in the presence of sunlight, white light reflected in the white surface, and white light, no light reflected, so it will appear black surface. White light, red light reflected, will appear red surface. So it is very important to read this important points. Do the question answer, children. Is there any doubt you ask? Any tough questions? You can see I have written. Any doubt you can ask later. Okay, children. First do find out the question answer fastly and send me in Gmail account. Okay.